Okay. I just realized we didn't do any videos today. They are so good at meal times. They just each get in their crate. I just point, and they wait for their meals. They're very good. Yes. Oh, whoa. Are you a singer? Are you going to be on American Idol? You want to get out here with the monsters? Well, not right now. Yeah, you guys just, yeah, I know, but you have time. You'll have time. Because I know you'll be scared if you come out. Oh my God, that was cute. Are you good girls? Girls! Hi, girls. So serious. Your face is so serious. Can't even see your face. Oh, I forgot to call and find out about a puppy cut. Okay, I gotta put that on my list. Oh, you better you better get off of there. Good girl. Good off. What do you think, Erin? Oh, good girl. Good potties. Good girl. Yes. Excellent. Well, you just get all sure yourselves in there, and then you can come out. Uh-huh.